Now, one of the big trends that's happened over the past 10, 15 years for homeowners is they've gone for roof lights in their kitchens and extensions to get a bit of daylight in there and brighten the place up. Well, I'm here at Ikon Rooflights with Mark, who's going to tell me about their product, which is for flat roofs, I believe, Mark.
Yes, that's correct. Flat roofs are quite important because a lot of extensions, as you say, are happening across the country, and you get twice as much daylight from above than you do from the same sized actual window. So,
wow, I didn't realise that at all. So that's an incredible amount of light.
Absolutely. So the other good thing is you can also put the light exactly where you want it to be. And our Ikon range of roof lights are quite unique because they're specifically for the reseller market, which then gets sold to building contractors and end users. But we actually have the convenience of having two products, an opening roof light and a fixed roof light, in 10 fixed sizes. So they're in stock, ready to go. So if anyone's in a hurry to need a roof light, then we've got that covered.
Well, let's talk about the opening one, which is open now, but have you got a remote control or something? Has it got a nice easy close mechanism?
Yes, yeah, it's you just push the button, you can stop it at any point in between. The actual chain of the actuator goes within the frame itself, so it doesn't obscure the opening at all when you look from the inside. And it's incredibly quiet as well, very efficient, and they're very easy to install and wire up as well.
So what would you say are the most popular, the opening ones, or I know you've got your sort of closed fixed one over there?
Yeah, the opening ones, because of the stock availability, it's quite rare to have 10 sizes available in opening as well as fixed. The fixed ones are a little bit more popular, but we're seeing an increase in demand in the opening ones because of the immediate availability. And because you've got laminated glass as well with our products, that cuts out UV light, and it also acts as a safety feature for the roof light as well.
Okay, so a lot of great selling points there. You've got your UV, you've got your soft closing. The 10 sizes seems quite impressive because a lot of other companies don't offer that. And then, of course, I suspect the lead times are quite large for those.
Yes, that's right. So we can just turn things around within 7 working days, which is remarkable. And it's also, the quality is incredibly important because the flat roof light industry is unregulated, and we're the only company to actually have a BSI-Kitemarked as well.
So that's pretty impressive for anyone that's not sure about how important that is, really. Just tell us how that came about, because they're only just beginning to regulate this industry, aren't they?
That's right. Anyone can go out and manufacture a roof light, and just remember these are above people's heads, so it's quite important.
So we're talking flat roofs, it's above your head. How much does one of these weigh?
Anything from about sort of 30 kilograms up to about 180 kilograms, depending on the size.
So you absolutely do not want one of those dropping into your kitchen on you or on your furniture or anything. So it's very important to get regulated. And how did that process happen?
Well, the British standards industry tested a number of manufacturers' products, including ours, and we were contacted and they said, we've tested yours is the best on the market. Would you like to work with us to create a BSI-Kitemarked for a roof light? And we said yes, and since then we're the only people to have achieved that accolade.
Fantastic. That's crafty, though. Set the bar really high and keep yourselves up there. So we're talking about, obviously, trends over time and more people having these in their homes. There was once a bit of a stigma about having flat roofs. People didn't like them. Is that sort of fading as time goes on?
Yes, yeah. I mean, really, because flat roof extensions, the roofing materials that are available on the market now, they have 30, 40 years lifetime guarantees. So a flat roof material is just as efficient and durable as a tiled roof now, so that stigma has been removed, hence the demand for roof lights has gone hand in hand with that.
Brilliant. And finally, I know this is your first time at UK Construction
Yes,
Week with this fabulous product. So how are you getting on? What kind of people are you getting on the stand?
I mean, it's been great. The response so far has been excellent. The range of people throughout the industry. We've had a few end users come along, which has been quite good. Architects, contractors, a lot of resellers wanting to sign up with us and get moving with things. So overall, the response has been very, very good.
Brilliant. Thank you very much. Well, I hope you have a good rest of show. And I'll tell you what, if I had a flat roof, I'd definitely go for the opening one.